It's really pouring out right now and I need to do a brake job on Sunday. As Oscar, early Sunday morning, it's raining. Bad day for a brake job. If you don't have a shop, I don't have a shop. I have to use a buddy's shop and he's not available right now. So I'm either going to postpone the brake job or put a piece of plastic up, a tarp, put a shelter, or drive under an overhang that I've got also is another opportunity. Or put on rain gear and do it. It's an emergency job in the driveway. It's an emergency job. And if it's raining, do what you can. Up to the parts store. We've been hit by some pretty heavy rains. I'm going to make an effort to get this brake job done. Okay, time to go purchase some brakes. I'm looking for some brakes for a 2001 Toyota Sienna van. Front disc brakes, yeah. The metal base in it.
Yeah, the semi-metallic.
Yeah, that's the set I'd like.
Yeah, they're $39.99 for those guys.
Okay.
All right, let me go grab those for you.
Thanks a lot.
There you go.
All good, huh?
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot. Okay, got the brakes. I don't know if I'm going to put them in today. It's raining pretty hard. But good mechanic doesn't let rain stop them. Yeah, good mechanic does not allow rain to stop them. I don't know if I'm good or not. I guess if I do it in the rain, I'm good. And if I don't, I'm not good. Oh, man, that's saying, that's a strange saying. Okay. Okay. All right, there's the van in the rain. Yeah, they say a good mechanic can work in the rain. I don't know if I'm good or not. I don't have a shop. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna probably have lunch and then get a raincoat on, and I got a cover, a little kind of like a cover that the utility companies use. It's like a semi-umbrella frame thing, flops over there and you can get emergency work done. Or I'll wait till it stops raining, which might be a few months. Now there might be a break in the rain somewhere, doesn't matter. Okay, so I've got the brakes. Should be, they say it's only 10 minutes per side. If you have a shop and you got a lift and all that stuff, it only takes 10 minutes on each side. I've heard of 15 minutes. I've never been able to do it in 10 or 15 minutes. It's always taken in the areas of hours between getting it prepped, jacked, inspected, and doing quality work. Never takes 10 minutes. It's really pouring out right now and I need to do a brake job on Sunday. And I'm told that don't worry about doing it, but that's crazy. I got to get it done. It's an extra vehicle that's down. It's hailing actually. It's got hail out there too. Okay, here's a worn brake. It's just really thin. See how thin that is? It's worn down. It's starting to scrape where my thumb is. And here's a new one. Look how thick that is. Look at that. Worn completely down. Okay, so we found out that the one brake is just completely wore out. Just change the brakes, man. It's just completely wore out. The brakes are wore out. Time to change them. I have to do a big explanation on the thickness of one versus the other. Yeah, look at that. That's the explanation of the thickness of one over the other. Okay. Yeah, the brakes had to sit overnight. Got a little bit of oxidation. It won't be bad.